We did $500,000 last year.
I got an 18. No, 15 sold out nationwide. 12 sold out now. Maybe the first. I got old bulbs that we can debulb.
Man, that filter worked good, Jace.
You want them to do that?
I'll put that in. I don't know which one it is. It's a 4, 8, or 12, but man, that filter
We got
worked.
500 right there.
Because you could go too bright and it made it just perfect. Because I knew the sun was in the background when I filmed. You got to put a filter on my sunglasses. Or it'll glare out the camera. I've just got that one.
I got one I can give you.
Footage. She's got pretty good in it too.
Yeah, you got room for Garland? This job's going to use. We have 2 Garland jobs. One today and then one tomorrow. That HOA.
Oh, they're working in the sun. You know where you could be doing all this at? Inside of a shop. Freaking thing. That's where Donovan does. What you do is you take one reel and you have another reel. Hell, and if you're smart, you have a freaking, what do you call that? Cordless drill in reverse and forward, and you have it going just at the right speed, and it just would naturally go right in front of you. Bam, bam.
My brother, Crazy Bill TV is his channel. I'm trying to get it to grow.
I got to do more videos though.
Oh, you got your own channel?
Yeah. Oh wow.
I got about 120 subscribers. I'm working on it. I have to work sometime.
He's a journeyman electrician.
The sun's shining.
time, nothing was done.
Nothing get done. Hold on. All right. Go ahead and get over here in the sunshine.
That's a lot.
Yep.
A lot of big houses out there.
Oh yeah. Yep. It's all about charging the right prices.
Yeah, Fred wants to start in Connecticut. It's like
jingle bell rock, jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring, snowing and blowing, that bushels of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell rock, jingle bells time and jingle bell time, dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square, in the frosty air.
Ho, ho, ho.